you Mopar Purple Plum 1971 Cuda. Look at that. It's got the shaker right there with the 446 back. Man, there we go. Look at that. That's what you want. Instead of the Hemi stripe, you want the 440 second best. White interior, pistol grip, shaker hood. Wow, right? Cuda. Thing even got the gills on there. Look at this bad boy. Wow. That's so awesome. Look at that. Blinkers on there. You want to see some more cool Mopars? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.